Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Redacted coin. Ticker symbol is RDAC. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting May 13th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, they're twittering, and I put in the corner of the screen here, at Redacted coin. And they are getting a brand new central exchange listing May 13th, tomorrow, 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Rdac, RDAC, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here has a Twitter at Redacted coin, which also has a bunch of partners listed on there. 256,700 Twitter followers. Huge, huge following. They're also being listed on other exchanges as well. There's a ton of them in tweets that you can see on their Twitter there. They have a webpage, redactedgroup.io. If you go over there, you can also find tons of other socials and also a full white paper that's going to go over all the info that you need to know about this token here. So it says Redacted, accelerating the next generation of Web3 disruptors. Now, obviously, a huge disclaimer. Always read the disclaimers here. But it says Redacted is entering the Web3 industry with a visionary plan to solve the issue of long-term sustainability for startups. As Web3 projects struggle to sustain their token value and an active user base due to rapidly changing industry trends, Redacted addresses these challenges by accelerating Web3 startups across multiple verticals, leveraging a user and data ecosystem powered by the Rdac token. With $10 million in funding secured from industry giants such as Spartan Group, Animoca Brands, Polygon Ventures, and a rapidly expanding portfolio of over 15 products alongside 1.3 million active users, Redacted is positioned to become a leading force in the Web3 space. Redacted will grow the ecosystem by acquiring and retaining users while at the same time consolidating blockchain communities from layer 0, 1, and 2 protocols. Powered by the Redacted token, Rdac, the ecosystem will be established through the current portfolio and revenue-generating products and Web2 partnerships. Redacted has a strategic alliance with Kumu, K-U-M-U, and One Southeast Asia, one of their largest Web2 live stream platforms, with 20 million downloads, 17 million users, and 11 million monthly views in over 55 countries. It has raised over $100 million in funding. The alliance aims to seamlessly bring exposure to Redacted's ecosystem of products and the Rdac token to the Kumu user base in an endeavor to onboard Web2 users and crypto via entertainment and rewarding experiences. At the heart of the ecosystem is the Redacted platform, which will serve as the central access point for the ecosystem where users can manage their assets, track activities across different products, and engage in community events through a unified interface. The innovative data staking mechanism allows users to stake the Redacted coin, ticker symbol Rdac, and earn rewards and participate in governance, fostering deeper engagement and incentivizing real contributions. Now, the ecosystem diversifies the portfolio across different Web3 verticals, while the data-driven approach goes beyond product earnings, leveraging both on and off-chain data to provide actionable insights, enhancing product development and generating additional revenue streams. The portfolio of products includes a mix of reputable live platforms and incubated projects currently in stealth mode across various verticals. Notable live platforms include BitTap, a financial service infrastructure provider, Duffel, a Web3 asset trading platform, Maxis, a community-driven blockchain gaming marketplace, Sweepur, a swipe-based GameFi platform, Multifarm, a rewards aggregator platform, and AI-driven solutions such as iAgent, which develops AI gaming agents. I did do a video on iAgent, actually, if you want to check that out. And FlashX, providing a suite of AI-powered trading tools. Now, these products are therefore designed to meet the evolving demands of new Web3 users, driving mass adoption to decentralized technologies. Redacted is entering the Web3 market at an ideal time, with the global market valued at $2.25 billion in 2023 and expected to grow at a CAGR of 49.3% until 2030. Founded by a leadership team behind the established Web3 incubator project Godjira PG Group, the company already has substantial network and industry partners and a wealth of Web3 experience. The company is poised to capitalize on this growth with a focus on multi-chain interoperability, community-driven governance, and gamified user engagement that establishes Redacted as a key player in the Web3 universe. Now, this token here, you can find on BaseScan. You can find it on basescan.org. There is a max total supply of 1 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. Most likely it will go live on dexes like Uniswap as well. But for now, there is a countdown basically till this big Mexc global listing tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.